Have you ever gotten chills looking at your bank statement? Maybe an unexpected fee or a transaction you can't quite place. Yikes! These days, keeping track of your hard-earned cash can feel like a full-time job. That's where services like Credit Karma come in, promising free credit monitoring and financial tools. But with all this free stuff, a big question pops up. Is my money actually safe in Credit Karma? Let's dive deep and unpack Credit Karma's security measures. First things first, Credit Karma itself doesn't hold your money directly. They offer a feature called Credit Karma Money, which partners with actual banks to provide checking and savings accounts. Here's the key: Credit Karma Money uses MVB Bank, a legitimate FDIC-insured institution. That FDIC insurance means your money is protected up to a whopping $5 million. So, if something crazy happened with Credit Karma, your cash is safe and sound with MVB Bank. Now, about your personal information. Credit Karma uses industry-standard security measures like 128-bit encryption to scramble your data during transmission. Think of it like a super complex code that makes your information unreadable to anyone trying to peek in. They also boast around-the-clock data center monitoring and firewalls, which act as digital bouncers, keeping out any unauthorized visitors. Here's the thing: security is an ongoing battle. No company is 100% immune to breaches, but Credit Karma does offer additional layers of protection. Two-factor authentication, for example, adds an extra step to your login process, usually a code sent to your phone. It's like having a double lock on your financial fortress. But Credit Karma isn't perfect. There have been instances of users reporting phishing scams or spammy emails claiming to be from Credit Karma. Remember, Credit Karma will never ask for your full social security number or other sensitive information via email. If you ever get a suspicious message, don't click on any links and contact Credit Karma directly. So, is Credit Karma completely risk-free? Like any financial tool, there are inherent risks. But Credit Karma uses industry-standard security practices, FDIC insurance for their money accounts, and offers two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. By staying vigilant and aware of potential scams, you can be a smart and informed user. Credit Karma can be a valuable tool for managing your finances, but remember, knowledge is power. Do your research, understand the security measures in place, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With a little caution and some financial savvy, Credit Karma can be a safe and secure way to monitor your credit and manage your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.